Dear students, today we are going to discuss the topic inventory management. Every enterprise needs inventory for smooth running of its day-to-day activities. It serves as a link between production and distribution process. But there is a time lag between the recognition of a need and its fulfillment. So, it is very essential to have proper control and management of inventories. Inventory refers to all the items, goods, merchandise, and materials held by a business for selling in the market to earn a profit. The meaning of inventory is stock of goods or list of goods. In accounting language, it may mean stock of finished goods only. In a manufacturing concern, it may include raw materials, work in progress, stores, etc. Inventory includes the following things. First one, raw materials. Raw material form a major input into the organization. They are required to carry out production activities uninterruptedly. Next, work in progress. The work in progress is that stage of stock which are in between raw materials and finished goods. The raw material enter the process of manufacture, but they are yet to attain a final shape of finished goods. Consumables. These are materials which are needed to smoothen the process of production. These materials do not directly enter production, but they act as a catalyst. Generally, consumable stores do not create any supply problem and form only a small part of production cost. Finished goods. These are goods which are ready for the consumers. The stock of finished goods provide a buffer between production and market. The purpose of maintaining inventory is to ensure proper supply of goods to customers. Spares. Spares also form a part of inventory. The consumption pattern of raw materials, consumables, finished goods are different from that of spares. The stocking policies of spares are different from industries to industries. Some industry like transport will require more spares than other concerns. The costly spare parts like engines or maintenance spares etc. are not discarded after use. Rather, they are kept in ready position for further use. Okay, so these items include under the head inventory. What is inventory management? Inventory management refers to the process of ordering, storing and using a company's inventory. It is very essential to have a proper control and management of inventories. The purpose of inventory management is to ensure availability of materials in sufficient quantity as and when required, and also to minimize investment in inventories. A proper planning of purchasing, handling, storing and accounting should also form a part of inventory management. An efficient system of inventory management will determine what to purchase, how much to purchase, from where to purchase and where to store. The purpose of inventory management is to keep stock in such a way that neither there is overstocking nor understocking. The overstocking will mean a reduction of liquidity and starving of other production process. Understocking, on the other hand, will result in stoppage of works. So let us discuss what are the objectives of inventory management. To ensure continuous supply of materials, spares and finished goods so that production should not suffer at any time and the customer's demand should also be met. To minimize carrying cost of inventory, to minimize inventory ordering cost. To avoid overstocking and understocking of inventory is also the objective of inventory management. To minimize losses through deterioration, pilferage, wastage and damages. To make arrangement for sale of slow moving items. To keep material cost under control so that they contribute in reducing cost of production and overall cost. Inventory management also aims at designing proper organization for inventory management so that a clear-cut accountability should be fixed at various levels of organizations. Okay, so these are the objectives of inventory management. Hope that you understood today's session. Thank you.